Hi there, this is Ed from Barnabas Robotics. I wanted to make this quick video about this interesting application. So I have a question from an art teacher who she has students they've made sculptures and they want to have them move back and forth. So they were looking at the DC motor Tinker kit, and I was thinking about what's the best way to actually make that happen. So some of the sculptures were kind of big, so I was thinking they might need to go with this, the Barnabas rover chassis. So I was tinkering with it, and the thing with this is that there are two motors, and also so you need this DC driver, and then you have to wire them in a certain way to turn it on and off. So this is actually better for a project where you're want to introduce coding. So that could be down the line, but I think if you just want this thing to go turn on and turn off, move forward, move backwards, then maybe what we could do is modify the initial DC motor kit. So this is what I came up with. So if you look on the screen there, all right, so on the product listing, you're gonna see a little on the DC motor kit project, something that looks like this. So you're going to see the motor here, so that's the same. The two back wheels are the same, but the difference here is this caster wheel, okay, and then this big piece of cardboard, okay. So I was just thinking, okay, if we just need to, all we really need to do is create a bigger platform. So cardboard, I guess, you know, the teacher, they're doing art already. You could do just, you know, make your own. All you need is Amazon boxes or something, and just make your own custom platform. This is literally the Amazon box flap, and then so I cut it up, and then I used the sticky foams, the craft sticks in there already. That's a nice little coupling thing to connect the cardboard to the motor there, and I have these sticky foams, these white sticky foams that are in the kit already, and then the two batteries that are in the kit already. So there's no switch per se on this one, but all you have to do is just connect these two wires, and then it moves. See? And this will be plenty strong enough to carry something that's a pound or maybe even more. Really, if you just make sure you get a rigid cardboard. If it's too flappy, maybe get two pieces of cardboard. With these two batteries, this motor is actually pretty powerful, so we shouldn't have no problem pushing it back and forth. And then if you want, you can change the wiring here and make it go forwards and backwards. I can provide a video on how that would work. Let's see what else. And yeah, so what I would say is I'm talking to the art teacher now. So if you get the mini the DC motor car kit, what I could do is give you provide this in there as well, and then I guess the cardboard, that little platform, I'll leave that assignment to you and your students. But yeah, the price would be pretty much the same, pretty similar as the standard DC car kit. And in the DC car kit, I do have instructions. I include a breadboard and a switch, so and lights. So if you and your students wanted to go to that level, you could watch my videos and then add a switch to it and also lights to it, which might be pretty cool for your project too. All right, that's it for now. I wanted to share this demonstration for the teacher, but also share it with other people in case this might be interesting. All right, see you guys later. Bye.